Hey guys, today I'll show you how to delete favorite locations on Waze. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the search icon. Next, tap My Places to view your saved and favorite locations. Find the favorite location you want to remove. Then tap the More option or the three-dot menu next to it, depending on your version of Waze. Select Edit or Remove. Then confirm that you want to delete the location. If you're deleting your home or work address, tap the Save Location. Choose Edit or Delete. Then confirm your changes. The location will be removed from your saved places. Once you're finished, return to the map and check My Places to make sure the favorite location has been deleted. And that's how to delete favorite locations on Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.